Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. We are showing you this modern house and lot for sale located here in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. This is near SNR and NLEX. This property is priced at 18.9 million pesos. It has a lot area of 194 square meters, floor area of 300 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It has high ceiling, staff room, living, dining and kitchen, service kitchen, balcony. It is furnished with swimming pool and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing. So let's check it out. As you can see, the facade of the house is very nice because of the wood elements na ginamit nila sa ating walls. Of course, this is located on a corner lot. And makikita nyo guys, no, tree-lined yung mga streets natin. So, sobrang presko dito sa village na to. Okay? Now, let's head on here. You have a 2-car port right here. 2-car port. You have greenery in front. And of course, your pedestrian gate. I also like the light fixture na ginamit nila dito sa labas. Very elegant. Upon entry, you have this grass patch right here. A very nice African talisay right there. And of course, your spacious 2-car carport na can accommodate even big vans kasi mataas yung ceiling niya and wide talaga siya. And let me just turn this on. We have this very nice wall detailing dito na lights, strips going to the ceiling. Okay? Let's head back to the front. So ang maganda dito sa lot natin, it's elevated from the street level. Tapos more elevation pa dito, 2 steps going to your very big custom design na front door. Ito guys, this is made on site by the builder. Maganda. Digital lock right here. Of course, wooden accents na tiles dito sa gilid. Then of course, you have your pool area right here. So right now, tinitreat lang yung pool. So please bear with us. Now, going back right here, very nice talaga yung wooden details niya. As we enter, we will be greeted by our living area. Right here, na meron din tayong light strip going all the way to the ceiling. How cool is that? Double height ceiling dito sa living area. You have this marble design right here. Dito naman yung ating dining area which has your solid wood na dining table that seats 6 people. Also, made on site plus itong epoxy na ginamit. Check natin yung detail. Ang ganda. Kasi wood siya tapos nilagyan ng epoxy yung mga imperfections niya. Kaya naging perfect siya. Okay? Now, this right here is your formal kitchen. We have tons of storage. Of course, your range hood. This is your sink. Plus, we have a counter right here that can double as your breakfast nook. Very nice pendant lighting. You have a 2-door refrigerator. And ito guys, napansin ko kanina lang, these are your pantry area. Storage din to. Okay? Now, to my front, this is the first toilet and bath. We have the sink, toilet and shower. Tapos lighted yung kanyang shampoo niche. Very nice. Rainfall shower head and it's partially enclosed. Then we have our first bedroom. Okay. First bedroom, good space. You have outlets on either side of the bed. We have cabinets installed. Right there. Air conditioning installed also. And we have this console right here for your television. Really nice. At saka maganda yung cove lighting natin. No? Plus, we have a window for natural light and ventilation right here. That's in front of the garage. Okay. Let's take one more look sa ating kitchen, dining, and living. Now, this door right here leads to your service area. Okay? Point out ko lang din guys, ang ganda nung design na ginamit nila sa backsplash. Shade of blue pero iba-ibang pattern. Ang ganda ng design. So this way to your service area, you have your staff room right here. Dito yung pumps natin for your swimming pool. We have a tank. Also, our laundry will be right here. Then we have a counter right here that has a sink, di ba? Pwede kayong mag-daily cooking dito sa labas. If you're cooking something na smelly, pwede dito. And of course, this way leads to your pool area. Plus yung pool natin, meron pa tong parang water feature dyan. Pag naka-turn on, no? Now let's head back using this access door. Another point of view of our dining, kitchen, and living area. I-close ko to para mas ma-appreciate natin. You see that? Ang ganda. Double height ceiling. Now, by the stairs, meron tayo ditong, ang ganda na ginawa nila dito kasi hindi sayang yung space because meron tayong shelvings dito. If you want to display your awards or your collection, pwede dito. And more storage down here na pwedeng i-enclose if you need more storage. Tapos may window siya, kaya may light coming in. Alright? Now, let's go to the second floor. The stairs, guys, wooden planks ang ginamit with metal and wood railing. Of course, by the mid-landing, meron tayong floor-to-ceiling window dito that lets in so much natural light. Ang ganda rin ng view dito for your strip light, no? Very, very nice. Upon landing here, dito pwede ka pa magkaroon ng mga console for your decoration. Of course, let's start with this bedroom right here. Ang unang bedroom sa second floor is the one with the balcony sa front ng house. Good size bed, outlets on either side, you have your cabinet, your console, and of course, you have your own toilet and bath na spacious. Okay? You have a sink, your medicine cabinet, your toilet, and your shower with shampoo niche, rainfall shower. This is my favorite type of shower. Okay. To the next bedroom, we have this room that is slightly bigger than the first one. We have this bed. Your cabinets is right here. Pwede pa maglagay ng desk dito kasi you have so much space. Your console right here. And of course, your own toilet and bath. Ayan. So, sink, toilet, and shower. With of course, rainfall shower head. Nice. The rooms have air conditioning, guys, so no need to install pa, no? Another view ng ating big windows, no? Sobrang bright ng bahay na to, maaliwala siya. Now, this one is the master bedroom. Okay, as we can see, we have this king-size bed right here. We still have space for your side tables or whatever, desk. You have a console right here. Very nice cove lighting. Of course. Dito, pwede pa ring desk dito or if you want a seating area right here. Then, you have this walk-in closet and toilet and bath. A lot of storage for your outfits. Yan. Ang ganda kasi divided na siya. You have your racks, tapos may shelves, tapos may drawer. So, very practical. You have this vanity right here with drawer na rin, of course, soft close. You have this sink with your mirror, your Japanese toilet na electronic, ayan siya. Then, your enclosed shower right here. What's good about this is we have a big window right here that lets in so much natural light. So, maaliwalas kahit yung master bathroom. Now, check out natin yung balcony kasi dito mas ma-appreciate natin na corner lot yung property. Okay? So, sliding door with screen by the way guys ha. So, you're protected from insects. We have this glass railing right here. Then dito makikita mo ang tree-lined na street, 'di ba? Plus your corner view. Dito sa space na to, meron pa tong pwede ka pa magpa-party dyan or gathering for your family and friends. Pwede ka pa may seating area right there. 'Di ba? Very, very nice. And guys, tingnan mo naman yung appeal ng house from the facade, from the outside. Ang ganda. Papapatingin ka talaga. Okay? Let's head back and do the recap.
This property is priced at 18.9 million pesos. It has a lot area of 194 square meters, floor area of 300 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It has high ceiling, staff room, living, dining and kitchen, service kitchen, balcony. It is furnished with swimming pool and 2 carport. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.